Crystals are beautiful. They come from the earth. They sparkle and shine. Their beauty is only one part of what makes them special. Crystals have energy. This energy can help us. They can bring peace and calm. Many people use crystals every day. Crystals can help with many things. They can help with our health. They can help with our emotions. Crystals can help us find calm in a busy world. Life is often busy. It is easy to feel stressed. Crystals can help us find peace. Some crystals are known for calmness. They give off calm and peaceful energy. This energy can change how we feel. When we feel calm, we are happier. We can think more clearly. We can also handle problems better. Crystals help us find our center. They help us feel peaceful inside. Many crystals promote peace. These natural wonders have been used for centuries to bring tranquility and harmony into our lives. Here are a few to try, each with its unique properties and benefits. Amethyst is a beautiful purple crystal. It is known for promoting peace and enhancing intuition. This stone is often used in meditation practices. Amethyst helps to quiet the mind, making it easier to relax and find inner peace. It can also help with sleep problems by calming the mind before bed. Rose quartz is a lovely pink crystal. It is often called the stone of love and compassion. This crystal opens the heart to all types of love. Rose quartz helps us feel safe and secure, fostering a sense of self-love and acceptance. It can also help heal emotional wounds and bring comfort in times of grief. Clear quartz is a clear and versatile crystal. It is known as the master healer because of its ability to amplify energy and thought. Clear quartz amplifies energy and can be used with other crystals to enhance their effects. It is a powerful tool for manifesting intentions and achieving clarity. Section 4. Integrating crystals into daily life. It is easy to use crystals in your everyday routine. You can carry them with you wherever you go. Keep a small crystal in your pocket or wear it as jewelry. Hold a crystal when you meditate to enhance your focus and deepen your meditation practice. Crystals can help you center your thoughts and bring a sense of calm. Place crystals around your home to create a positive environment. Put rose quartz in your bedroom to attract love and harmony. Amethyst by your bed can help you sleep better and have more restful nights. Experiment with different crystals to discover their unique properties. Find the ones that resonate with you and your needs. You can also place crystals in your workspace to boost productivity and creativity. Incorporate them into your daily rituals, like placing a crystal in your bath for relaxation. The possibilities are endless. Let crystals be a part of your journey to well-being. Section 5. Finding my center. This journey is about discovering inner peace and tranquility amidst the chaos of daily life. One day I was feeling very stressed. The weight of my responsibilities was overwhelming. I had a lot to do. My to-do list seemed endless, and my workspace was a mess. I felt completely overwhelmed. In that moment of chaos, I picked up a piece of amethyst. It was a beautiful, calming stone. I held it in my hand. I closed my eyes, seeking solace in its energy. I took a deep breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly, trying to center myself. As I breathed, I felt the energy of the crystal. It was as if the amethyst was sharing its calmness with me. I felt calmer. The stress started to melt away. My mind began to clear and my heart rate slowed down. After a few minutes, I felt more peaceful. The serenity was washing over me, bringing a sense of relief. I use crystals every day now. They have become an essential part of my daily routine. They help me stay calm. Each crystal has its own unique energy that contributes to my well-being. I feel more balanced and centered. The crystals have truly transformed my life, helping me find my center amidst the chaos. Section 6. Embrace the crystal path. Crystals are powerful tools. They can help us in many ways. They can help us find peace. If you are looking for calmness, try crystals. There is a crystal for everyone. Explore the world of crystals. Find the ones that resonate with you. Embrace the calming power of crystals. They might just change your life.